Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn a great and nice lesson, and this lesson is related to our daily life. The people are taking benefit from us. So in the same way, are we taking the benefit from them or not? The whole world is taking the benefit from us. So in the same way, are we also getting the benefit from them? So nowadays we are watching the news, and maximum news are fake. So we are spending our valuable time and we are spreading that news. We are not investigating, we are not checking. Simply we are listening and spending that news. So it is not a good. So in this story, we should focus on our responsibilities. If you are a businessman, so focus upon your business. If you are a student, so focus on your studies. So whatever the responsibilities upon you, fulfill it. So here is one small and nice good story. In this story, there is a one fox and one goat. So one day fox felt thirsty. So it went near the well, and that fox jumped in that well and drank the water, and that fox stomach full. Now that fox tried to come out from the well, because that fox stomach become very fat. It tried, but it could not come out. So after some time, from that well, one goat was going. Innocent. That goat doesn't know anything. So goat asked the fox, "What are you, my dear friend? What are you doing?" So because that fox is cunning, clever, fox told that, "Oh my dear friend, come. Here is in this well very cool place is there, and also the water is very sweet and tasty. Come and drink." So innocent goat once listened that in the well cool place is there, and also the water is sweet and tasty water is there. So that goat jumped in the water. When that goat jumping in the water, this goat put her leg on that goat and came out. So that fox came out from its problem. So now this innocent goat left in that well. So in this small story, very nice and good lesson is that all the people are they are doing their business, they are doing their responsibilities, they are becoming rich and rich. What about you? What about me? So we are wasting our time, we are wasting our thinking, we are wasting our energies. So in this story, the one important lesson is that we should see what are my responsibilities and try to complete it, and don't waste your time what others are telling. First recognize your responsibilities and try to complete it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please comment, please tell some your suggestions and some your advices, and please remember me in your dua. Thank you very much.